I tried everything to make you back, Annabelle, but now nothing works. I guess you'll wait forever. And then they were like, hey guys, it's time for the elimination. Kidding. My name brother. 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 My name brother.
Elimination intro.
Got 2 votes today, which is more than last time, which is worth it. Cap, beer, ticket, and controller are all safe for 0 votes against them. Here's your prize. Shield! What is this? It's down to Map and Harp. Matt is eliminated because I hate him. One is to bake a cake for 50 minutes and go. Hey, any ideas for cake baking, paperclip?
Dingle dingle dangle, yickety doo, yickety da, ping pong, lippy tappy toota.
Ta-da! What a cake! I'll bring this to Cool Button later. Let's get the ingredients. We're gonna get them in the super amazing stop, not clickbait. Hey, can I see the ingredients? Now I have to get a new card. Broken card because Boba tried looking at the ingredients. Alright, Team DD, we need a plan. What is it? Now stir for 1 minute. Now bake for 2 minutes. Okay, team, let's start the plan. I see them coming. I see Cool Button. We're so close. Ah! Take the ticket. Where's beer? I see ticket holders in the cake. Let's get her. I see them coming. Run! Looks tasty. Yummy. 7 over. Yeah. And the Balls of Strings team got 10 out of 10 because of chocolate. My favorite. Oh no. Wait. Would you mind reading the description before watching? It is very important. Very, very important. Please skip to this timestamp. So yeah, vote in the comments in the letter in square brackets under who deserves to be eliminated. Voting ends in 7 days. Bing! I'm feeling fine just like I died.